As-Salamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. May Allah bless each and every one of you. And today I'm going to be talking about the love of our Maker. You know, I once heard in a debate between Jimmy Swaggart and Ahmed Deedat, you know, the Jimmy Swaggart was like, I can feel the love of Jesus. Right, I'm not paraphrasing, I've not memorize the thing, but it goes something like this. He's like, I can remember the love of Jesus. Tell me one of the Allah in your religion. He's talking to Ahmed Deedat. He's like, tell me which one of your 99 names is a name for love, because Jesus is love, and that he's going on about Jesus being love and all that stuff. And I'm going to tell you guys about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's, one of his great names is Al-Wadood. You know, it means not just the loving, but the receiver of love. But the most important aspect of this is the amount of love. You know, he creates our universe with love. He provides you with fruit to eat out of love. You know, he does so much out of love. You know? So if you ever think that, oh, I'm unloved, you know, we often in the West, we especially feel like I'm nothing until I feel loved. Imagine that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us with love. He provides us this world with love. You know, if you think about what you have to do to get into Jannah, it's so small compared to living your life. I mean, there's so much things you can do in your life. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could have made it that every moment of your life you spend awake worshipping Him. But He didn't, out of love for us. He created us so that we can do our own thing, live our life. You know, even Ramadan, it's just once in a year, 1 out of 12. What is 1 out of 12? To give over to your Maker. So please, brothers and sisters, don't ever find yourself saying, I am not loved. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the most high in love. He's the most great in love. And He's the most loving and beloved. So remember that name, Al-Wadood. It's such a great name. You know, and I can't stress this enough. Al-Wadood, you know, say, Ya Allah, thank you for your love. Say, Ya Allah, thank you for the goodness in my life. And Ya Allah, thank you for the blessings. Now, as always, may Allah bless and give you, all of you, the best in life. May He give you the best in the dunya and in the akhirah. What is even better in the akhirah, let's say. So, may Allah bless and give you all greatness. I believe in you. I'm wishing you the best of tidings. Ameen.